So let's talk about 12, 20 and 80, 12, 20, 80. So the concept of 12, 20, is something that I've actually been following, which we now build for every investor to use if they so choose to. I remember after the Lehman crisis in September 2008, I was on a holiday with my family on a beach in December of 2008. And I wrote an article from there. And people were really upset that I was holidaying on the beach when the whole world was collapsing. And that's when I realized that everyone has not really been intelligent enough or has used their common sense, if you will. You don't need intelligence, but common sense to listen to what our grandparents told us when they said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And I never put my eggs in one basket. I had money lying in fixed income, I had money lying in gold, I had investments lying in equity. And when stock markets fell, the other two asset classes I had, fixed income and gold, acted as a buffer, and they protected a complete decimation of my portfolio. Hence, I was able to continue to spend money and go on a holiday. So I started writing about that, and I put a table since every article I've written in something called The Honest Truth since 2009. I put that table at the bottom. And we deliberately calibrated, carefully built 12, 20, 80 for an individual investor or a wealthy family office to use as an allocation tool. Allocation sounds like a very big word, but really it's a common sense word, which really means I don't want to take too much risk by being in only one asset class. And 12, 20, 80, please go on the website of quantumamc.com and look at 12, 20. We ask you 4 very simple questions. And the 4 simple questions are, how much money do you wish to invest every year, or not every year, or your pool of money? Secondly, we ask you, what's your monthly expenditure as a family? And the third is, how many months of that monthly expenditure would you like to have in your mattress, in your pocket, in your cupboard, in the quantum liquid fund effectively? A safe asset which is easily accessible at low transaction cost. That's what's friction. You can get your money back when you want it without wasting too much time and spending too much money to get it. Unlike an FD. If you break an FD, please recognize there's friction. You will have to pay a penalty if you break a FD earlier. Not true for a withdrawal from a liquid fund. And then the last question that we ask is, what is your allocation that you wish of the balance money for between equity and gold? So tell me how much money you wish to invest. Tell me your monthly expenditures. Tell me how many months of monthly expenditures would give you comfort. And tell me what your equity gold allocation should be. And then you hit that calculate button. And when you press that button, you'll get a solution designed for you. It's not a generic solution. You've given the inputs, it's designed for you. And if you want to change it, feel free to change it. On top of that, we've given you the other advantage of saying, look, I'm not such a believer in this actively managed funds. I really want to be in passively managed funds. An active managed fund, as you know, means there are people going out there meeting companies and there's higher costs and higher expenditures. Out of every 100 rupees you put into an equity fund that is actively managed, maybe 1 rupee or 1% is the cost of that fund manager's team to go out and meet companies. Put it in a dead or dumb or static index, like a Nifty index or a BSE index, etc. Then the cost is 0.1%, 0.2%, it's a fraction. So if you believe costs are what you want to control, the expense ratio, go for the passive side. If you believe in the smartness of the manager, go for the active side. We let you decide. And we've given you a solution for any choice that you want. You choose the 4 numbers, you choose active, passive, and you get the answer that you want. Please do try that.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिम के अधीन है। कृपया योजना से संबंधित सभी दस्तावेज सावधानी पूर्वक पढ़ें।